I was so hard-headed at first. My grandma didn't even believe in me. I kept going though.
The Xavier Gold Rush.
Man, it's fun. Oh man, I'm living the dream.
It means a lot, clearly. We've been getting a lot of response from the community, different people all over the city, everywhere you go. Everybody's really excited. I realized the blessing and the privilege that it is that I was selected to lead this program and to revive baseball back here at Xavier University of Louisiana.
My daddy never been that bothered me, and these cold streets made a man of me. Knew a time it'll come, they doubt me. Had to keep them OGs round me. Keep a young homie grounded. You never know where your motivation to come from. We do the most for these bras and pop shundun. They try to push you aside, you gotta fight some. I had a line on the thigh and now we buy guns. I want that #1 spot, I'm like icon.
The pandemic might be here, but at the end of the day, we still just have fun, do what we do. It's been a lifestyle for me. I've been playing since I was 3, so it's not new to me. Ooh, sky's the limit for this team. This team.
The encore. I was down on my last when I found myself. I be a fighter to the end, to my last breath. I got angels all around me, yeah, yeah. I got love all around me, yeah, yeah. I be a fighter to the end, to my last breath. I'ma hustle to my last breath. I got angels all around me, yeah, yeah. I got love all around me, yeah, yeah. I be a fighter to the end, to my last breath. I'ma hustle to my last breath. I came from them quarter waters. Every nigga in my gang unemployed. You fuck around, you must want a gang war. I got an old girl and I transport her. Trapping is a habit, I got Zans on me. I'm hotter than the flame, keep the fan on me. Catch me whipping up Hussein with them bands on me. I'ma kill the competition and I'm playing for keeps. You see water dripping off me, then catch it. I turn nothing into something, now I'm living. You neglected me, you know you shouldn't have did that. They was counting me out, you know you shouldn't have did that. You didn't recognize my drive, shouldn't have did that. Now I find every day I won't get it back. I just wanna be the champ for the misfits and the one that was saying I couldn't do it. I got angels all around me, yeah, yeah. I got love all around me, yeah, yeah. I'll be a fighter to the end, to my last breath. I'ma hustle to my last breath. I got angels all around me, yeah, yeah. I got love all around me, yeah, yeah. I be a fighter to the end, to my last breath. I'ma hustle to my last breath. Who knew I would take it to a whole nother level? Who knew I would racing with a whole... Go rush the box!